Everybody, it's Donna. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well today. Today I have a March monthly spread for you guys in my dashboard planner. I've done so many videos, I don't even know what I'm doing. I did do a pre-pull. The books that I used today are from Memory Keeping Dates and Holidays. And I'm using the new Pressed Florals book, sticker book from the Be Happy box. So if you want to continue to watch and see what content I created with this March monthly, stay tuned. If you like the content, consider giving me a thumbs up. It helps me to grow every time I get a like. And subscribe. That also helps me to grow. For all of my new subscribers, welcome. And I hope that you guys will enjoy the content that I'm providing. All right, I did do a pre-pull. This one's pretty simple today, folks, okay? I'm keeping it simple. I pulled this big sticker here. I love this. When I looked at it, the minute I looked at it, all I could think about was my granddaughter, Abby. She loves sunshine, and she loves the song, You Are My Sunshine. I have been singing that song to her since the day that she was born, and she will always be my sunshine. She has one of those vinyl adhesive sticker things I got for her when we redid her room on her wall. It's the You Are My Sunshine song. So she knows she's my sunshine. Spring, March the 20th, people. March the 20th. Gonna be spring. So here I whited out St. Patrick's Day. And we're just going to put down this really super cute little St. Patrick's Day sticker, the rainbow, and a shamrock. St. Patrick's Day. Down here, I'm just going to do a run of the foiled leaves and blooms in this sticker book were exquisite. I'm putting down this Let Your Ideas Bloom right here. Try to keep it sort of, that's going to go here. And put one on the other side to give it balance. Okay. I am going to put down, these were extra leaves that I cut off of another spread that I thought would look cute, popped up on top right here, just to give it a little more definition. And, you know, to not waste the little leaves. I think they're cute. And I think it's, you know, like I said, adds a little definition. I don't know what that little piece of string or whatever that is. There we go. All right. There's that. Now, I'm going to put a sticker on the Daylight Savings Time. I didn't cover up International Women's Day, basically because I didn't want to get too crazy with these boxes. I mean, I think it's okay just to leave it there. I mean, you know, whatever. I am going to put a to do today. It says to do today, but I think we all know that it's probably not to do today. It's to do all month. And I'm afraid this will show through. So I'm just going to really quickly put just a little bit of white out over this, just so it won't bleed through so heavily and look awful. Okay, let that be drying. And I'm going to start at the bottom and go up. I think I have enough space. I think I put Let's see. Yeah, I think I have enough space. I think I started right there. Okay. These are so cute with these florals. You know, normally I don't like the stickers to have like tons of stuff on them. I like them to just be like the color edging they are or whatever. But these, I feel like, especially with it being more of a St. Patrick's Day spring spread, I do like that effect. So, there we go. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Hope you're not too in any danger out there with all this crazy weather we've been having in this country. I tell you, between the politicians and the weather, I don't know which one's worse. So, there we go. Worked on my taxes a little bit today. That was depressing. Yeah. This year I got back less taxes than I had ever gotten back in my filing history. Not a happy girl. Just saying. I knew I was going to cut myself short right there. Let me get my... Because I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to... We're just going to pull that back up real quick. Put it back down. We're going to flip this around so I can figure out what I'm doing. And we're going to layer this in here. Well, not really layer it. I just want to get it on here. Yeah, relatively. There we go. Relatively straight. And then we'll just put this up here at the top. All right. Look at how cute that is. Now, I did want to put this little tiny sticker down here because as soon as we get nice weather, I'm the queen of open up all the windows, get all the dust out, take all the curtains down. Let's wash, bleach, clean, everything. So, which I know there's a lot of people that's probably ahead of the game on that with COVID and all, but, you know, just saying. So, here's my March monthly in my dashboard, and I think it is minimal, but super cute, and it really, I just think it pops. So, I really hope that you guys like this minimal March monthly dashboard classic spread. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Hang around, subscribe. I would love to have you as part of my little planner community. It means a lot to me. And I hope that you'll come back and watch the next video, guys. You have a blessed day. Be blessed, be safe, and be kind. Love you guys.